India's participation in international sports. Good luck, children.
Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. Good morning to one and all present here. Today me, Jitin and Akash of class 4 is going to speak about sports. Today I am going to speak about sports as a medium personality of development. The health benefits of sports and games. Studies have shown that children who play sports have less stress than those children who do not take part in sports. Participation in sports has many benefits like good cardiovascular fitness, a healthy growth, bones, ligaments and muscles. They will develop better balance and coordination and get good sleep. There are also social advantages of sports for children. It helps them to make more friends. When they join a local football or a cricket team or participate in school sports, it is a fun opportunity to them to go outdoors, exercise and breathe in some fresh air. It does not matter if they get themselves or their clothes dirty. It gets them outdoors. Sports is a good medium to boost our self-esteem and also their self-confidence. It also develops about teamwork, goal building and success in life. It also teaches children to give better social skills to interact with others at school and home. The importance of sports for children when it comes to regarding overweight. Over 30% of children between 5 and 19 years of age in the world are overweight. This is linked to the absence of exercise and also to the diet they maintain. It does not matter if they get themselves or their clothes dirty. Build self-confidence. Sports is a good to boost their self-esteem and improve their self-confidence. It also develops a healthy sense of confidence with teammates. This gives children better skills to interact with others at school and home. Higher self-esteem. Playing a team sports can help children bond with each other. Playing a sport requires cooperation with others, learning to play fair and having fun with others while working towards a common goal. This gives children better skills to interact with others at school and home. Leadership abilities. When a child plays any sports, he will come out of his bed or away from the TV. He will soon learn to manage his own schedule and get on practices and games. This helps the child to develop his leadership abilities. Playing a sports also teaches children to get on other leadership roles such as handling conflict and encouraging team members. Confidence is champions are not made in the gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, ambition. Today, I, Akash of class 4, is going to speak about India's participation in sports. Hockey is the national sport of India. The Indian hockey team is national men's team of India. In 1928, the Indian men's team won its first Olympic gold medal. Since 1928 to 1956, the Indian men's team remained undefeated in the Olympics. In the arena of field hockey, India is the winner of 8 Olympic gold medals. During 2015, the team hosted for the Women's FIH World League and finished on the top to qualify. Now, even the women's national team is qualifying to the 2016 Summer Olympics. The Indian men's team finished in the 9th place in the World Cup 2014 which was held on Netherlands. The team won a silver medal in the Commonwealth Games 2014. Football was introduced to India during the British colonial period. India was an Asian powerhouse in the 1950s and 1960s. In 1984, India got qualified qualified to the Asian Cup again but couldn't make an impact. India won gold medals in the ASEAN Games, in both 1984 in Dhaka and 1987 in Calcutta. India played its first match in the 2012 AFC and winning a 3-0 against Chinese. The 2017 FIFA Under-17 World Cup will be the 17th tournament of the FIFA Under-17 World Cup. This will be the first time India will be playing international football competition in world level. This will be a great achievement for our country. Cricket. Cricket is the most popular sport in our country. It is played throughout the country. The Indian national team is the two-time champion of the World 1983 and 2011. The 2002 and 2007 ICC Cricket Champions T20 and 2013 ICC Cricket Champions Trophy. Sachin Tendulkar, rated as the best batsman, had already scored 31 Test hundreds. Sachin has complied to the maximum to over 11,540 runs in one-day internationals.
We are also proud to have other game achievers. In tennis, Mahesh Bhupathi and Leander Paes have been winners in tennis tournament. In chess, Vishwanathan Anand is the 4th rank worldwide. In badminton, Sania Nehwal is the 4th best player in the world. The popularity of golf is also on the rise. Vijayendra Kumar is a known name in the boxing circuit and won bronze medal in the Asian Games.
Olympics. It was only a flying six like Milkha Singh among the men and the sprint queen P.T. Usha and Shiny Wilson among the women had already reached world-class levels. The women weightlifter Karna Maleshwari had won the solitary medal for India in the Sydney Olympics 3 years ago. Mihir Sen, and the swimmer, is the first one in the world to swim the 7 seas. Motorsport. Some games like motorsport are still in the basic stage in the country. We look forward to achieve our goals and make our country proud. There are some stars of the JJL group in sports. Shreyas Gopal, an international cricket player. Abbas, he is too an international cricket player. Robin Uthappa, he too is an international cricket player and an IPL cricket player.
Monisha PC, the national badminton player in India.
When we all bloom our qualities within ourselves, we make our parents proud.
We thank CEO Sir, IRS, Js, Piara ma'am, Maya ma'am and all our teachers and all our coaches who give us such a beautiful platform for our growth. Thank you. Presentation, we learned few values like teamwork, goal building, success in life, teamwork, determination, and working towards a goal. Thank you.
Jai Hind.